Flora. I've been with the Jenks Fire Department for 14 years. I would like to introduce my crew to you.
I'm Driver Thompson, been here 4.5 years.
I'm Firefighter Wynn, I've been here just about 4 years.
All right, so today we'd like to invite you in and we're going to give you a tour of one of our newest apparatus. All right, so today what's going to happen is Driver Thompson is going to kind of give you a tour of our new apparatus, Engine 2. I'm going to turn it over to him now.
All right, we're going to start right here at the pump handle. If there's ever a fire, the firefighter's going to pull a hose off right here, and this is how we get water to the hose. It's capable of flowing 1500 GPM. This is how you control everything right here. We'll move on to this side of the truck. This is where we store all our equipment, extra hoses. We have our fans to ventilate the house, extinguishers. We have our rip pack here, is in case we have a firefighter goes down. We can go in there and rescue them. And this is just miscellaneous tools, ladders, pike poles. Back here, we have our hydrant bag. It's got just a bunch of miscellaneous tools that we need to hook up to the fire hydrant so we can get water to the fire truck. Over here, this is where we have some of our saws. We have several different saws. Alright, and down here we have our jaws of life right here. They're all battery operated now, so we can get them set up a lot faster than the generators. Here we have some hoses. Those are pre-connect hoses, 200 feet there. Our supply hose that we hook up to the fire hydrant to get water to the truck. And, over here we have, this is where the captain sits over here. He has an iPad in there. This is our medical bag. Most calls we run on our medical these days.
Hi, I'm Firefighter Wynn. I'm going to give you a little tour of the back of the fire truck. These are SCBAs, or self-contained breathing apparatuses. They give us about 30 minutes of breathing air while we're working in a fire. These are our headsets. The firefighter sits back here and can talk to the crew up front over the noise from the lights and sirens. This compartment here is batteries, chargers for our full gas monitor and the driver's PPE. These, where my helmet is here, is a safety feature to keep stuff from having projectiles in the truck if something happened in case of an accident. This up here is a captain's seat, captain's PPE, and they also have a SCBA in their compartment. This right here, imager camera that we carry in all of our trucks. And then up front here is all the controls to the truck pump.
Thanks so much for coming by and visiting us at the fire station, checking out our apparatus. We have a very dangerous job, I'm not going to lie to you. We do a lot of things to prevent things from happening to us. We're always asking for the public's help, so one thing that you guys can do is always make sure to pull to the right when you see us coming. You'll hear our sirens, see our lights, pull to the right so we can pass you safely and get to whoever needs the help. We're very fortunate enough here at Jenks to have a great city, leadership, council, chiefs, all that great things that buy us this nice equipment so that helps us do the jobs that we need to do for you guys to keep you safe. Again, thank you so much for coming to visit. Stop by the station anytime for a real tour. Thank you.